In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an album on BandLab Mobile. Now first, you want to save the project you're currently working on and you want to exit it. And from here, you want to go to the bottom right where you can see your library. And inside the library, up top, you can see projects, and then the second tab says albums. So tap on albums, and here you can see it says plus new. So you want to tap on that here on the right. And it's going to basically allow you to create a new album. So here you have to give it a name. You can just tap on there and you'll be able to basically name it. So I'm going to name this one tutorial like that. You could also give it a description. I'm just going to type in tutorial again, and then here you can go ahead and select the album settings. So you've got the genre, you can select whichever genre you want, and then the album type. I'm just going to do album over here. Of course, you could do whatever one you want, and then here you could do release date, publish and feed, etc. I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to tap on the check mark up top right, and of course you could also add an image of it if you want to at the top middle. So I'm going to tap on the check mark top right, and there we go. It's going to start creating my new album. And okay, as you can see, it's going to say add tracks. And of course, if you want to add tracks, you must have some published tracks. So if you don't, you won't be able to see them. But if you do have some published tracks, you'll be able to then add them in here. Okay, so just tap on the add tracks and add them from the list. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.